Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set nearby share to everyone, to contacts only, or hidden on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top with two fingers. In the quick settings panel, swipe across and then tap on nearby share. In here you can choose everyone, contacts, or hidden. Now you can also go into settings and tap on device visibility. In here it will give you some more information on each of these accessibility means. So for everyone, then anyone can share with you when they are nearby. Transfer won't start until you accept. If you select contacts, contacts can share with you when they are nearby. Transfer still won't start until you accept. And for hidden, no one can share with you until you make yourself visible. Alright, so select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back. And that's it. That is how you can change the nearby share settings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.